What do wheel spacers do on BMW?
By increasing the track width, these BMW wheel spacers help reduce body roll, which in turn leads to better handling. Upgrading performance with BMW wheel spacers is safe for daily driving. If you install them correctly, quality spacers won't cause any problems. Both wheel spacer and wheel adapters are a kind of wheel accessories that are used to create distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance problem, with brakes, tie rods, and other suspension components. Usually, the thickness is below 25 mm. We call the wheel spacers, which are used to solve the problem of the wheel not being flush enough and the wheel clearance. When installing wheel spacers, the factory wheel bolts are not long enough. We need to use extended wheel bolts. The original wheel bolts are usually of grade 10.9. However, BONOSS aftermarket extended wheel bolts reach ISO standard grade 12.9, with a 12-panel shape on the top of the wheel bolts, which proves the super forging process, reduces the risk of wheel bolts broken, and makes driving safer.
If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye bye.